Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue. With Gree Inverter acts the F1 error. This often points to a sensor problem. And we'll show you how to check and repair it. First, what does F1 mean? In Gree systems, F1 usually indicates a fault with the indoor ambient temperature sensor. This sensor is crucial, as it measures room temperature, allowing the AC to regulate cooling and heating. Before starting, switch off and unplug the AC for safety. You'll need a multimeter, a screwdriver, and potentially a replacement sensor. Check your AC's user manual as well. Locate the indoor unit. You'll need to remove the front panel or cover to access the internal components. This usually involves removing screws or clips. Next, identify the indoor ambient temperature sensor. It's typically a small, cylindrical component with two wires. It's usually near the evaporator coil or in the air intake. Consult your manual if needed. Now, test the sensor with a multimeter set to ohms. Disconnect the sensor wires from the control board. Place the multimeter probes on the sensor terminals. The multimeter should display a resistance reading. The normal range varies by model and temperature. Your manual should provide the correct value. If the reading is significantly off, or zero infinite, the sensor is likely faulty. If the reading is within range, the sensor itself may not be the problem. If the sensor is faulty, replace it. Disconnect the old sensor wires. Remove the old sensor. Install the new sensor, connecting its wires the same way. Secure the new sensor. After replacing the sensor, reassemble the AC unit. Plug the AC in and switch it on. If the F1 error is gone, great, you've fixed it. If the error persists, it could be a control board or wiring issue. Consult a qualified HVAC technician then. Besides a faulty sensor, other causes of the F1 error include damaged wires, loose connections, or a faulty control board. Extreme temperature fluctuations could also affect readings. To prevent the F1 error, regularly clean the AC's filters and ensure good airflow. Get professional servicing yearly to catch problems early. That's it for today. We hope this helps. Like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.